Good afternoon. My name is Marijo Pacon Arellano, 42 years old. I live at La Trinidad, Benguet. I have 3 kids. My both parents are passed away. I have sibling, 3 sisters and 2 brothers. I have working experience in Saudi Arabia for 4 years and on United Arab Emirates in Abu Dhabi for 1 year and 8 months. My responsibility there is taking care of the children, especially on going to school, prepare their food, making laundry, ironing, and cleaning the whole house. If you will giving me a chance, I will promise to finish my contract and to do my duty to be polite and trustworthy. I will work again in abroad because next year my 2 children are going to college. Please help me make their dream come true. Thank you and God bless.